Hi mga Kasuki! Welcome back to my channel. It's a new video and a new review. And for this video, I'll be doing a review for this iPhone 6s in 2020. Is it still worth buying? Well, let's talk about it. Kasuki, as you can see on my thumbnail, I placed there a white box or refurbished phone. So, ipapakita ko na yung box. So, ganito yung box niya. Ayun. As you can see, it has only the iPhone 6s na word. And then sa baba, meron siyang nakalagay Apple Certified Pre-Owned. So, ayun yung box niya. So, comparing this one, this is the original box, yung talagang brand new na ni-release ng iPhone. So, as you can see there, meron siyang parang phone and then merong picture sa loob ng phone na parang bird. So, ayun yun, yung 6s na variant na model. So, what is white box? So, last week ko lang nalaman ito na white box, which means you got the refurbished phone. Officially refurbished by Apple. Sila mismo yung nag-refurbish, which means na parang inayos nila and then sell it again. So, ayun, officially fixed by Apple. So, if you want to know if your iPhone is refurbished or brand new, so we have here the 4 letters. It has the, I have a copy here. So, it has the M, F, N, and P. How to go there? Go to Settings, General, click the About, and see the model number. So the first letter there, it's either M, F, N, or P. So M is for the iPhone that is new device or brand new, and F for the refurbished, N is for the replacement device, and P is for the personalized. So if you got M, meaning brand new yun. Kayo yung unang gumamit ng phone na iyon. For the F and N, it's like same lang sila. It is refurbished or replacement. So for this phone, I find out na first letter niya is letter F. So meaning it is refurbished. And for personalized, meron siyang mga engraving na names kasi nag-engrave sila or naglalagay sila ng mga names sa mga mismong gadgets. So ayun yung difference. So if you want to know more, I think meron pang mas maka-explain ng detalye because I got this idea from this video. Credits to him. So I will link down below so para mas malaman nyo kung paano nyo makikita kung refurbished ba yung phone nyo. So maybe you are wondering mga Kasuki, saan po ba makakabili ng white box? So for this one, yung bumili nito is yung mom ko. And ito ay isang product ng Globe. So, nagbebenta sila ng refurbished iPhone na 6s. So, for the price, go to their website na lang po. Maybe there are some changes, I don't know. Basta go to their website. Basta sa Globe po ito ma-avail. And then, I searched on the web. I think walang masyado or yung Apple Store dito sa Philippines is not selling refurbished phone. I think sa labas lang. I think US. Nagsasell sila ng refurbished na iPhone sa website nila. So, ayun. What do you get sa box? Well, same sa brand new earphones, brand new charger. Pero wala na dito yung mga chargers and earphones kasi ginamit na. But it has the same in yung sa loob niya. So, wala na kasi ginamit na. Also, brand new lahat. Pati yung manual, brand new. Everything is brand new. So, what is a refurbished phone? So, ayun na nga. So, let's explain it a little bit deeper. So, for example, yung sa, ano ba yun? Model number niya is letter M kasi brand new yung binili. And then, meron siyang 7 days na pwedeng ma-replace and then something went wrong sa phone niya and then gusto niyang ma-replace. Merong defect yung phone niya. So, pinalitan ito ng Apple ng brand new. And then, so, yung phone na ginamit niya is kinuha ng Apple again, and then pinalitan yung casing. Sabi doon, I searched what are refurbished phones. So, yung casing daw ng phone, like ito, pinalitan, yung battery pinalitan. And I think yung ibang parts din na kailangang palitan or yung merong defect, pinalitan. So, I think not overall pinalitan. Yung pwede pa 100% na working, I think still remains sa phone na ito. So, ayun. And then, see, as you can see naman, brand new tignan pa. Super shiny. Oh, see? Wala pang gas-gas. So, it is really brand new. You will get the casing brand new. Okay, so mga kasuki, let's review muna sa specs ng phone. So, the phone has a 4.7-inch screen. Yung main camera niya, it has the 12 megapixel. Aperture 2.2 and video supports 4K at 30 frames per second, and the selfie camera, yung front camera niya it has the 5 megapixel 1080p at 30 frames per second, and aperture same din sa main camera, it's 2.2. So when we say about the aperture, it means gaano kalaki yung light na ma-absorb ng phone. So the smaller yung aperture, mas maganda. Okay, it also has a 2GB RAM and A9 chip. So, ngayon, yung mga iPhone 11 natin ngayon, it has the A13 chip na. And also, the battery, it has a 1,715 milliamp. Comparing sa iPhone 11, almost twice na, it has 3,110 milliamp. And also, for this one, nirelease ito last September 2015. So, that is 5 years. So, what's the good thing about this refurbished phone is that mas bago yung mga parts niya kasi pinalitan ito ng Apple. So, I'm not sure when was the exact release ng mga refurbished iPhone. Okay. We will be talking about the feeling na ginamit mo yung iPhone 6s in 2020. So basically right now, I am a user of an Android phone, Huawei user, P10, yung ginamit ko, and then I use this for around almost a month, na mga 3 weeks. And here's my review. So for this one, I'll be sharing my experience, how it feels, about the display. So for how it feels definitely the same sa iPhone 6 because I'm an Apple user, iPhone 6 user before. But now I'm currently using an Android. It has a big difference sa iPhone 6 for me, in my own opinion, kasi I think mas clear ito, yung mga apps niya. Parang mas buo yung kulay niya comparing sa iPhone 6. And then also yung parang paggalaw niya, yung parang magsuswipe kayo ng phone, ganito, mas madali yung response niya sa finger niyo. And then also, it has the 3D touch. Tinatawag na 3D touch yun. When you scroll sa camera and then you just long press, magzo-zoom yung and pop out yung picture, and then yun, sobrang daming big difference sa iPhone 6. So, mas premium talaga yung feel ng phone na ito kaysa iPhone 6. And then for the fingerprint, it's really fast. Even though it's not latest model, fast pa rin yung fingerprint niya. And then when you open apps, I don't have an internet, but when you open apps like YouTube, talagang it's very fast. Diba? Okay, for the speakers, it's not the best. It's not hindi maganda. The quality is nice and decent one. Above average pa siya for me. But comparing to the newer phones ngayon, kasi meron ng dual speakers, So, mas mahina ito, but I do not use or mas high-end na phone sa iPhone 6. So, definitely hindi ko makakompare. But for me, it's a decent one. It's a decent speaker. For the camera, I have here some test shots. So, isa slideshow ko na lang sa inyo. And then also videos. This is the video quality of the main camera. So as you can see, the room is really very dark. But with the help of flash, let's turn it on. So this is how it looks when there is a flash. Okay, so as you can see naman sa camera niya, mga pictures dito, it's not bad. The quality, it's still good. Talagang kumukompete pa rin siya sa mga latest phones ngayon. Mga Instagram pictures, pwede pa rin ito. Super nice pa rin yung camera niya. And then, also yung selfie na mga pictures. Now that it has its own flash, talagang it helps to brighten the picture. The setting, talagang walang light dyan. Mas dark pa and talagang nilalight ng iPhone 6s. And when there is flash, yung front flash niya sa screen, talagang maganda. It's not the best photo, but it gives you the still premium na effect ng phone, and then good for doing selfies with your friends, di ba? Decent one pa rin. So for the video is still nice. Yung color, di ba? Maganda pa rin siya. Hindi naman siya pangit. So overall thoughts about this phone, is it still worth buying in 2020? Definitely. Because even though I want higher end phones, this phone still do its purpose. Simple naman yung gusto natin. It's just texting and calling. But for now, we need Facebook, yung mga other apps na mga YouTube, ganun-ganun, mga kaartihan natin. Well, definitely, it's a big yes pa rin na bumili kayo ng iPhone 6s in 2020. If you're on a tight budget, mga kasuki, definitely this phone is definitely the right phone for you. If you're not arte naman and hindi nyo kailangan ng super high-end and like mid-range phone lang, and then yung super latest na phone, definitely this is the perfect phone for you for its price. Just check yung Globe, nandun yun. And then, this is not sponsored sa Globe. If you are also planning to buy a second-hand, I suggest you to look for the battery. So, yung battery life niya. Just search on settings para makita nyo battery health yung nakalagay doon. And then, if it's 100%, definitely it's a good phone. Parang brand new na rin yun. So, for this phone, it is refurbished, but still, it has a 100% battery health. Kasi brand new yung battery niyang phone na ito. So, what I love about this refurbished phone, first of all, sa first week na paggamit ko, or first to 2 weeks na paggamit ko, hindi ko alam na refurbished ba lang phone na ito. And then, I just realized yung white box nga. So, ayun, I think definitely, kung hindi ko nalaman or hindi ko nakita yung box, I would really think na brand new na phone ito. So, what's the good thing about this phone? It has a cheaper price. Yung sa presyo talaga tayo nagdi-differ talaga. Kasi, when it comes to price, we also measure the quality of the phone. And for this phone, definitely it's overall yes na yes sa lahat ng mga features niya, even though it's not latest. Just a story to share it with you mga kasuki about this phone. So that was 3 weeks ago, nag-photoshoot kami, unexpected photoshoot sa aking best friend, and then she has an iPhone 6s Rose Gold. I got the gray one, and then the only difference is that she has the 16 gig and I got the 64 gig. So ayun yun. So what she noticed first is the flash daw, kasi sabi niya mas malakas daw yung flash comparing sa kanya. And then also after taking the pictures, sabi niya mas maganda daw yung quality ng photos. And then we compare sa phone niya, and then talagang mas maganda yung quality ng camera sa refurbish. Also, the front camera niya. So, not just the main camera, also the front camera. So, I'm not sure if it is because merong binago yung Apple dito. Hindi naman natin sure yun. But, just an observation, mas maganda yung quality or mas maganda yung kuha nitong refurbished na iPhone. So, definitely, it's a big yes naman kasi even though it's refurbished, mas maganda yung pagkakuha ng mga features. So, that's all for this video mga kasuki. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned a lot. And also, please do like and subscribe to this channel to help me grow my channel more. And if you have questions, experiences about this phone, you can comment down below to share sa ating mga kasuki viewers kung ano yung mga saloobin nyo din or mga comments nyo din about this phone. So, that's all. Bye mga kasuki!